Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to enable split screen on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open an app on your Android phone. So I can decide to go ahead and open up this particular app right here. Just like so. Having opened up the app, next thing you want to do is to drag up this way. Once you drag up this way, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on split screen. And you are done. Then you can create another link. You can open another app from the bottom right here. So if I open up Facebook right here, you can see, so I can browse Facebook right here. And at the same time, I can work with this particular app, which allow me to multitask as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Android phone like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.